Wow, I'm so grateful to be here. Thank you.
We were just talking about happy.
I've been overwhelmed. I'm wondering if you could please speak to my confusion.
Yeah, but you won't be able to hear it.
Around
Clarity, confusion. So we'll just give you the whole thing about clarity, but if you're in confusion, you won't be able to hear.
Okay.
So word it differently. I'm looking for clarity on this subject. Words don't matter so much. We don't mean to be beating up on you. We're just trying to use all the time up. But just playing. The words don't really matter very much. Your words don't matter because it's how you feel that equals whether you're in the receptive mode or not. And we're really good at talking around to get you in the receptive mode so that you can hear. We just want to point out for everyone that when you start out by saying, I'm confused about something, you're in the receptive mode for more confusion, not in the receptive mode for more clarity. So the more you realize that you're looking for clarity and thinking about how good it feels to feel clear. Do you have clarity on some subjects in your life? And those subjects that you have clarity on, how do they feel?
Pretty good. Excellent.
And when clarity flows, what does it feel like?
My heart sings.
And what's happening in your mind when you know you're in a state of clarity? Do the ideas flow easily? And does your ability to explore them and feel happy about them, does that increase? We're just amplifying what a feeling of clarity feels like. You know, when all of a sudden you get that idea, oh, that's a great idea. That's clarity. Then you say, oh, that'll never work. That's not clarity. But for just a moment, that clarity hit you. That's clarity. So what is it that you would like more clarity about?
My situation, how...
Do you know, this is going to annoy you just a little bit.
Okay.
But do you know what the best way to achieve clarity is? Get off the subject of confusion. So if you get completely off the subject that is causing you confusion and you get onto a subject where you easily can find clarity and you get clarity momentum going, then when you go back and talk about the confusing subject, it's more likely that you will find clarity. Does that make sense to you? Does that make sense to you?
Yeah, a little bit. I don't even think I can ask my question now.
Well, that's because we've clarified enough that you don't really want to, because you can feel that those words, what you were going to talk about, is just going to amplify the confusion. And one of the reasons that we chose you with just a little bit of time left is because it would take us at least 30 minutes to find a place of clarity enough that you would follow the path of that. So here's what we desire for you. We have another couple of hours today where everything that is important for you to achieve clarity, we will be discussing. By the end of this gathering today, we will have distracted you from whatever it is that's bothering you to a place that you will feel stronger clarity. Even if there's something really strong and really negative in your experience, you can still find clarity around it. We'll help you distract yourself from that, because that's what's got to come. We cannot say enough words to you in order to change the confusion that you are feeling. Almost everybody else in the room would get benefit from it, but you couldn't hear it, not yet. But by the end of today, you'll hear. You see what we're getting at? The clarity about this subject will come to you today. It is our promise to you. We've just got to lull you into more of a non-resistant state before you're going to be able to hear it. We're not even going to ask you if it's helpful, because it isn't yet. It isn't yet. It's all right. This is a good time for a segment of refreshment.